Start by cutting the mini heirloom tomatoes in half. If you don't have small tomatoes available, you can always substitute with a large heirloom tomato and cut it into small pieces. Now add the cut tomatoes to the bowl. Next, finely cut fresh basil leaves. And add to the bowl. Now add mini bocconcini. These can be substituted with a large fresh mozzarella ball cut into small pieces. Now for a simple Italian vinaigrette, add extra virgin olive oil, then balsamic vinegar, and season with sea salt and black pepper. Mix well.